Breaking boundaries and soaring to new heights, Qantas has redefined the future of air travel yet again. In a monumental move on August 23, 2023, the airline giant has solidified its journey by placing orders for cutting-edge aircraft from both Airbus and Boeing. This strategic decision marks a pivotal moment in aviation history, promising enhanced experiences and efficiency for passengers worldwide. Reports earlier this week suggested that Qantas would order the Boeing 787-10 only, but the airline disclosed that the order is for 4 more 787-9s and 8 787-10s. Deliveries of the General Electric GEnx-1A powered aircraft will start in FY27. The order, which is part of Project Fish, includes purchase rights through FY37 and flexibility on the timing of deliveries. August 24th, Reuters, Australia's Qantas Airways QAN.AX on Thursday announced an order for 24 widebody aircraft, the final piece of the company's jet fleet renewal program, and said the move is aimed at replacing its current Airbus A330 and Airbus A380 aircraft. The multi-billion-dollar order is split between 12 Airbus A350s and 12 Boeing 787s, which will arrive from fiscal 2027 and into the next decade, Qantas said. Qantas's A330 aircraft mostly operate on international flights to Asia and the United States as well as some domestic flights. The longer range delivered by the 787 and the A350 aircraft on order means they'll be able to operate all the routes on the airline's current international network as well as open up new ones. The average age of Qantas's A330 fleet will be 21 years at the time the replacement program starts in FY27, which is in line with the group's typical replacement profile. Aircraft scheduled to leave the Qantas fleet towards the end of replacement program will undergo a cabin refurbishment from FY25, including next-generation seats in the economy cabin. As a part of the deals, Qantas will gain access to up to 500 million litres of sustainable aviation fuel (SAF) per annum, which would start to flow from 2028. This has the potential to meet up to 90% of the group's interim SAF target for 2030, Qantas said. Global airline companies have been struggling hard to cut down on emissions and are looking for alternatives to traditional jet kerosene fuels. SAF reduces life cycle carbon emissions by up to 80% and is a key part of Qantas's emissions reduction plan, it said. Qantas clearly believes that demand will continue, ordering 24 new planes to meet demand and saying demand will remain above pre-COVID levels. Qantas during the day posted a record profit with shares up 1.9% in early trade. Incoming CEO Vanessa Hudson will not have a one-way ticket to success when she takes over in November, but this may just be a new era of good times for the flag carrier of Australia, added Gilbert. Hudson said on June the carrier would kickstart a competition to replace existing A330 jets by end year. Both the 787-9 and 787-10 offer enhanced efficiency, flexibility, and passenger comfort to connect Australia and destinations around the world, said Stan Deal, president and CEO of Boeing Commercial Airplanes. Reuters earlier in the week had reported, citing industry sources, that Boeing was nearing a deal for its 787 Dreamliner aircraft with Qantas. The noise footprint of the 787 is 60% smaller than those of previous generation aircraft. The 787-9 delivers a 20% improvement in fuel use and around 25% for the 787-10 as compared to previous generation aircraft. Airbus A350-1000. Qantas's A350-1000 at 72.25 meters is 8.5 meters long than the A330s. They'll replace the same length as the A380. The A350 enables a 25% advantage in the fuel burn and CO2 emissions compared to previous generation aircraft. If you found today's video informative, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up, subscribing to our channel, and turning on notifications for future updates. We would love to hear your thoughts on the recent Qantas orders more aircraft for international fleet. Let us know your opinions and any questions you may have in the comment section below. Your engagement is valuable to us.